Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Harbourview Road in Port Colborne, Ontario. As we drive along this peaceful road, you'll notice the quiet charm of the countryside, with open fields and glimpses of Lake Erie in the distance. This area is known for its natural beauty and calm surroundings. Port Colborne has a rich history that dates back to the early 1800s. Originally called Gravelly Bay, the town grew around the southern end of the Welland Canal, which opened in 1833. The canal connects Lake Erie to Lake Ontario and played a big role in the town's development. The city has always been connected to the water. In the late 1800s, it became a popular spot for American tourists who built summer homes along the lake. Some of these homes still stand today, showing the town's long-standing appeal. As we continue our drive, take in the sights and sounds of this special part of Port Colborne. It's a place where history and nature come together, offering a peaceful escape from the busy world.
Thanks for watching!